Mahila, Elias, or Ilias, I should say. Stay strong, all right? Everybody stay strong. Um, got a lot of symbolism going on. Um, so we'll take a look at it. Um, everybody just stay focused and focus on the Lord Jesus Christ and keep a mercy mindset, okay? I know I say that, but that's what I mean, okay? So just stay with Lord Jesus Christ and trust in Him with all your heart, mind, and soul and body. You know, um, so just the legs and hips up top. All right. So we'll take a look at all this. It's heavy loaded Revelation 17 stuff. This legs and hips here. That's what it's standing on, and that's what it vibes in the smoke. Okay. Not anything recent. This is just what it is. If this is me or if this is someone else, this is what it is. It's like overcoming to be one with the force, to balance the force. So, um, now I know Michelle Rodriguez in Resident Evil, she says we're here to help. Um, that's really debatable with some of these guys on YouTube's. Okay. So, I try to keep it simple, just keep it um, true to the vision, true to what God is showing me. And I think some people have other motives. Some people are trying to be the death horse, and some people, they want to have an MIB gun and have a Bible and live like amongst the animals and stuff for the new thousand, So not everyone wants to go to heaven like me. I think some people on YouTube's they want to go to hell. It's the no country for old men mentality. That's what they have succumbed to. And they don't help. They don't help with anything. It doesn't seem like they do. And we even have people in the industry now that are complaining about the crowns being given to false Christ and false Jews. So I don't know if they have done anything good, some of these people on YouTube's. I'm just being honest from what I see. It could all be deception and they're really helpful, but how many times in the Bible does God say that the watchmen are hungry wolves, and that they don't watch like they're supposed to, and that they're false prophets? There's even a false prophet who goes to the lake of fire, in Revelation. And some people would like to think that that's me. Some people would love to think that that's me. And really, I get no views. I shoot from my heart. I enjoy what I'm doing when I'm writing it. For most of the time, unless it's something super serious or, some sort of burden thing that people have gone through, you know. But even then, I try to put a positive spin on it. And I try to find the silver lining, but I don't like the Silver Linings Playbook movie. I don't. I don't like it. I don't like the flow of it. I don't. And I feel like, you know, that was the switch. It went from whatever her name is, that Jennifer Lawrence, that was the switch. When she came on the scene, then that's when Grok started to say the movies were switching, and that it became the new Star Wars Disney, the new superheroes Disney, and the new shows, okay, that are all sexual tension and Revelation 17 based, of lies of stuff like these numbers here, lies mixed with some truth, some body truth, you know, because the body of the it is ego based and RAM and all that, then it reflects in the image of the Revelation 17. That is the image of the beast. It reflects, even though that's not the heart. And that's what I'm saying, is that when it changed in the industry, then a lot of these guys, they changed with it and succumbed to it. Succumbed with a D, E-D, to it. It happened. They did. Okay? They did. And it doesn't matter if you like to watch it or not. It was the mentality. They love it. They because they lost hope. They lost it. And now they're greedy dogs on YouTube's, like they don't help. And I'm sorry, it's not good. Like, I'm sorry, okay? And I'm sorry if you're sick of my videos. And you're over it, you're over it, you're over it. Well, you know what? I've been waiting for the rapture for a long time. That doesn't mean I was real from day one. It means I'm real now. And I'm ready to go. Thank you. Keep a mercy mindset and have a good night.